Okay, let us integrate both the mechanical part and electronics part together. I am using double set tape to stick this electronics parts on base plate. You can place as per your convenience. Then place Arduino, then connect this current sensor on this using scoop. You have to place like this only, and object sensor, or you can call it as IR sensor, you can connect it as near as possible so that it is detect the arrival of the hardware components. It indicates the arrival of product. So sensors is fixed. This is motor driver circuit. You can fix it using double set tape. Before placing this, let me connect DC motors here with help of screwdriver. Just this is called PBT connectors. One for robotic arm, one for rotor. So you just place like this, then tight it thoroughly, and same wise you can connect a rotor. Then you can connect this on the convenient place. This is conveyor motor connections. One is positive, one is negative. Negative should connect it to ULN output, and the positive should connect it to the positive of the DC jack. Then here we have the DC jack adapter or DC adapter 12 volt 1 amps. So you can connect to this one. So this will give power supply to our breadboard. From breadboard we are distributing the voltage and supply to the Arduino Uno and the motor driver circuit. The assembling part is over. Next let us check with testing part. This is conveyor belt system with product detection and segregation feature. Here we have Arduino Uno, which is heart of our project, which will control all our operations. Here we have IR sensor which detects the arrival of the product, and it will sense and stop the object in front of the color sensor. Color sensor will detect the product color. Based on that, it will feed the product into robotic arm is made up of spur gear with worm drive, which will help to grab the object, and we are using another DC motor here. This DC motor help to rotate the robotic arm, and this will drop the object in respective containers. And here we have L293D DC motor circuit, which will drive 2 DC motors at a time. So we are using this DC motor because our Arduino microcontroller's current is very less, is not sufficient to drive the motor. So we are using L293D DC motor driver, and also we are using ULN 2003 IC, which will drive the conveyor motor, because conveyor will rotate only in one direction, so that we are using ULN 2003 IC.
That is in the first bin.
The production and manufacturing sectors are increasingly looking into efficiency and automation, and the discipline of mechatronics fuels this revolution.